Don't know if anybody can hear that strange noise from this bird. Maybe somebody knows what it is. The other noise sounded like ducks, but this one strange noise and a dog. Coming out of that big tall tree.